If you have this woe is me attitude, it's
Y'all not
never going to
helping.
change.
Y'all not helping. It's not helping. Y'all not helping society. Y'all always blaming me and this and that and the other. Prime example, he said, "Oh, he got prices from here, here," and he went and called stuff off. That he said, "Well, only stopping from 2022, and he going past 2022." And I'm like, "Yo, but hey, but that's what the prosecutors do. He's just doing his job."
Right, that's what he's doing.
If I may, a
Sure.
couple points. First, if he's finished up the cases that he has had in his history, okay, he's had a history. If he's paid his debt to society, like he says, if he's completed what he needs to do for those cases, that really shouldn't be relevant here. I would argue that in front of you, this is his first time being in front of you, right? And it looks bad that he has a criminal history. Yes, I get that. But if we were to just focus on whether or not he knew about this case, he's telling me he got on a flight, came over here, and it's a great question. If that happened, he would have had a warrant pending and he would have been arrested. So
When was the warrant issued, do you know?
March 3rd, 2025, but because it's a domestic flight, and obviously I don't work for TSA, I don't work for the Department of Homeland Security.
Just got issued.
just March 3rd, 2025, Judge.
Your warrant was just issued in March of this year. So
And I flew
30 days ago, got issued.
and I flew March 10th back up here.
So Judge, if that's the case, it hasn't been like he's been missing his responsibilities with
And
this
I went to
case.
court.
It's
And
less than a month.
And you can also
He's had
see
this
that I went to court. I went to court before March 3rd.
That's why it's failure to appear, which is
How? I went to court. I went to court before then.
Judge, the warrant has
I was
been
in the
issued
courtroom.
we're at April 1st, less than a month. And so it's not like he's been running. If the warrant's just been issued on March 3rd, I would ask that we afford this man an opportunity to make the right. He hasn't messed up in your eyes. Yeah, he's messed up in the past, but as far as the fugitive case is concerned, I'm asking for an opportunity for him to go to the demanding jurisdiction. And then if he messes up, okay, well, I don't have much to say after that. But just throwing his history out there, it doesn't mean he doesn't deserve a chance.
I stand by no bond. He has assaultive history as well, and it shows in the message that we received from Florida is that he has violent tendencies, obviously reflected by the assaultive history, along with and I don't have to go ad nauseum, but the significant criminal history that he has.
When were the FTAs? How long
The
ago?
most recent failure to appear, one moment, Judge. There's one from May 4th, 2023. There's one from December 7th, 2023. There's one from.
It's not on this case, though. Those are separate cases. We're not talking about on this case.
Oh, to be clear, it's not on this case, but
Obviously not on this case.
Okay.
But the problem is that it keeps happening, and I can't continue to.
Sir, it's not keep happening, sir. Sir, this we said, sir. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have another open case, and that open case is why I flew back down there. Went to court, finished court. They said I have a warrant. I go to the warrant district. They said I have no warrant. Leave the warrant district. Get on the plane to fly back up here. And they said I had a warrant before I even flew on the plane back down there. So how could I fly?
Mr. Jones, even if I were to set you a bond,
Okay, no problem. Hey, send me back there, man. You know about this shit, man.
easy money.